Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look again at the euro currency. This is as usual daily chart. So yesterday's price action was not quite what we have expected to see on Monday, since as you know we have expected that market probably will try to test weekly pivot points right here is 126.12 first, and then we have hoped to estimate the potential direction depending on how market behaves around the pivot. But yesterday market just continued move to the downside. Well, in two words speaking about the current situation, probably it makes sense to wait one or two trading sessions. Since situation in Europe currently is very tough, you know that Spain has asked for European Central Bank for the help around 100 billion euros. Also, Moody's have downgraded a lot of different Spain banks, and Cyprus also has mentioned about the possible help necessity. So it's a bit really a tricky situation as the situation in Europe is on the chart of the euro currency. Well, although we see that previous trading session is not very good from bull's perspective, you can see this nice thrust to the downside, plunge down, some continuation, but taking a look at this level, market currently stands at support. That is the weekly pivot support ones, 124.77, and 618 support of whole swing from that low to that high, 124.63. So that is support. Also take a look at this black line. That is MACD forecaster indicator. It shows the break-even point for the trend. So when the price stands above it, trend is bullish. When price stands below it, trend is bearish by MACD indicator. And now you can see that market is flirting with the break-even point of the trend. So current situation by that action is very tricky, because if market will find support there and will close above this black line by today's close price, this will be the stop grabber, bullish stop grabber pattern. Although it could fail as any other pattern on the market, in general it indicates that market probably will take out the previous highs, and the previous highs is right here. So if market will form the stop grabber here by today's trading session, it will hold trend on the bullish side, and this will be the bullish pattern. In this case, we could expect reaching of the 100% extension of that pattern, okay, A, B, C bottom, and reaching of this confluence resistance area. Also, if we will calculate the distance of that top, it will be 1618 extension, sorry, 127 extension from that swing down, from that retracement. 1618 extension of that swing also stands around this target. And if we suggest that market will find support here, then extension of that swing down, 127 extension, will be also stand in the same area. So this will be some kind of the free drive, but it's not quite harmonic. But in general, this could lead to some further continuation. That's why it's a bit tricky price action. In my current view, that is safer to wait breakout of that level and confirmation of the bearish trend on the daily time frame, and then enter on some intraday retracement, then by trying to catch some position at support. So since market stands here support, I do not want to buy right here, sell right here, especially because it's still unclear what kind of trend will be tomorrow. But at the same time, by taking a look at this price action and keeping in mind that the weekly trend currently bearish, and retracement could end at any moment, since that is just 618 extension of that pattern. Very often it happens when the bears are strong, market could show some just 618 extension ABCD pattern to the upside and then continue to the downside. Well, by that price action I do not want to buy, although market extends its support. So my current view on the market is better to wait a bit, since current price action is really tricky, and this could be really a lot of different price action during today's trading session. Let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? Trend has turned to the bullish side. Market has hit 127 extension of that pattern, A, B, C top, 127. Also take a look that current low stands at 1618 extension of that swing up. So here is some kind of the butterfly on the hourly time frame. If we will see it, market has hit 1618 extension right at the weekly pivot support 1. Has turned to some retracement to the upside. If we will clone this retracement and drag here, that is clone black line, you can see if market will show the same retracement. The 1618 extension of that swing will be right here. It's around 124.30 area. And 1618 extension target of that pattern is also right here. Okay, and the same area of 618 support is some kind of agreement, we could say, of that target. Also, it's very close to the weekly pivot support 1. That could be some kind of the 3 drive buy. First drive, second, market could continue to the 1618 by hitting a couple of targets here and then returns to the upside. That is the first possibility. That's also the bullish possible pattern. Another pattern that could be seen on the hourly time frame is potential head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders pattern. You can see that kind of the divergence. We can see that current low stands, as we said, is 1618 extension of this swing. That is, you can see some kind of the butterfly here, 1618 extension butterfly. So if market will show some acceleration further right to the previous tops, that could turn to some head and shoulders pattern and could be a reversal. You can see that it's a lot of contradictory scenarios that could happen, since market stands in the very tricky area. And although the current environment is bearish mostly, since market hasn't even tested the weekly pivot point, it has shown the really significant move down on the daily time frame. But currently it stands at such area that could trigger some move to the upside, since the situation on the financial markets and in Europe, it's very unstable. It's a lot of different news and data come from the markets almost every hour, so it's very tricky. That's why it's better to wait as more confirmation as we could. And at least I prefer to get some more confidence before entering the short side of the market. At least I would like to see the breakout of the significant support and confirmation of the bear trend on the daily time frame. After that, probably we could try to search for the possibility to enter short, since it will be safer to enter an intraday retracement after such kind of confirmation than trying to catch the moment right here at support level. At the same time, to enter long right from current swing to the downside is also unsafe. It's better to wait, for instance, for tomorrow, and we'll see if market will show the stamp grabber here. Then we have a lot of confidence to enter on the long side of the market. That potentially could lead market to the 128 area. That is also could show some kind of the butterfly maybe on the 4-hour time frame. It could appear right here, so it will be just safe to act by more confirmation that market could get. Still, speaking about the current trading session, we should keep an eye on the couple of possible price action. First of all, on the 3 drive pattern on the 4-hour time frame. If market will hit this area and turn to the upside, well, this probably could lead to forming of the stamp grabber on the daily time frame. That will be the sign that bulls still have the chance. Well, if market will just break this level, then we will get confirmation by tomorrow trading session of the bear trend, and probably will be search for the possibility to enter on the short side of the market. Well, That's our current view on the market. Good luck to you. If you will still decide to trade currently, try to get the real confirmation and some clear patterns, at least on the intraday charts, on the lower time frames, before trigger, before put the trigger, and control your risk.